Welcome to Mora AFC. Yep, just look at the t-shirt that I am wearing. It's too big. It's too big. Extra large, extra large. So I'm gonna fix this t-shirt. Fits me very well. The tips that you need is that when you buy a t-shirt, you gotta check the shoulder and the chest. That is very important, so that it will tell you what to do, how to resize the t-shirt. So checking the shoulder, I have 25, which is too big. My shoulder is 18, so that is an extra 7 inches I added to it. And I have to check the chest as well. My chest is 38. When you divide it into 4, you're gonna get. So this 25. But when I divide my chest into 2, I'll get 19. So you can see how big it is. How big it is. So I will take the hands off. 2 hands. Yeah, I've taken the 2 hands off. So I'm gonna check my chest. Like I said, my chest is 38. You're gonna divide it into 2. That will give you 19. So I will mark my 19 here. Then I'm going to check the rest. That was 5. Then I'm going to divide the 5 into 2. That will give me 25. 2.5. That will give me 2.5. So I'll give 2.5 to this side. And I'll give 2.5 to other side. Then I check my chest measurement. That is 19. You can see that. So I'm going to cut the unnecessary part out, but I have to leave your sewing allowances like 1 inch. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Call notification bell. It is what it is. Share your thoughts, how you think. This is the perfect way to resize a t-shirt to fit you well when you have an extra large t-shirt. Sometimes the t-shirt that you're gonna buy, you're gonna have, like let's say the shoulder is the same as your shoulder, then you don't need to take off the hands. But in a situation whereby the shoulder is too big than yours, you gotta take off the hand. So you're gonna fold it like this into 2, so it will be into 4 like that. So you're going to divide into 2. In reality, which is 4. So I'm going to work on the shoulder. Like I said, my shoulder is 18. So half of 18. Then you add your sewing allowance. That's the armhole. I measure 9 inch. So checking on my shoulder, whatever you get, you divide your shoulder into 2. I'm working on the armhole, that is 9 inches. (18) divided by 2, which is 9, plus ½ inch sewing allowances. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Click on the notification bell. Then you make a notch. I'm gonna trim ½ inch inward, working with the front one, not the back one, working with the front one. So this is how you do it when you have an extra large t-shirt. Like I said, in a situation whereby the t-shirt that you bought is only large, is big, but the shoulder part is okay, you don't need to take off the hand. just have to leave the hand in this. There's so many ways of resizing the t-shirt to fit you well. Trying to cut it off all the unwanted fabric. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Click on the notification bell, so anytime that I'll post a video, you'll be notified that I post a video. Then you comment down. So now I'm working with the length. It's too long for me, so I'm just working with the length. I made it 27. Then you have to add your sewing allowances to it. You can make it straight or you can make it curved. I curved mine towards the straight. So we gotta work with the stomach. I measured from the shoulder to the stomach to 17. So whatever you get with the stomach, you divide it into 4. You can add a sewing allowance to it. It's more raw FC. It is what it is. I want to shape it out. So you can see how it has turned out to be. We ain't done yet. It's more raw FC. So I'm just going to join the hands. Both the hands. Already joined one, so I'm going to join another one for you guys. I gotta make a notch to make it little. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment. Join the 2 shoulders, the sword, join the 2 sleeve. And you just have to join them. You can see how beautifully that's turned out to me. So we turn it over. We're gonna walk to the one side. Then we're going to sew both sides. Simple as that. Just have to sew. So I'm just checking my shoulder. See if I'm getting there. You can see 18. So I want to work with the bottom, page 48. So you can see we are almost done. So finish one. I'm gonna try it on. So you guys can see how it starts fitting. It's more IFC. It is what it is. If you don't subscribe yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a friend. So after sewing the button deep down, hey, thank you for watching. You can see how it looks good on me. You can see how it's looks good on me. So perfect. Thanks for watching.